subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Poco M3 back in November last year, the company has now launched the higher variant of it globally called Poco M3 Pro with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Poco M3 Pro 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is further expandable via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Poco M3 Pro 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12 skin on top, and additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, a ear blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.81 by 75.34 by 8.92mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco M3 Pro 5G has been priced for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at €180, while the 6GB plus 120GB storage option is priced at €200, and the phone will be available at a discount of €20 under early bird sale for a limited period of time. The smartphone is said to be available for purchase in Poco Yellow, Cool Blue, and Power Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco M3 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.